So, here that's a sketch of the evolution of plant forms through geological periods, right? First is a which one? Repeat. Which one? Chlorophyte ancestor. Chlorophyte ancestor. That ancestor, some of them evolved into which one? Bryophytes. So bryophytes ancestor are which one? Chlorophyte. Then some that terminates to which one? Tracheophytes. Tracheophytes name suggests now they possess what? Vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, right? So tracheophytes first, from that initial the plants developed, that's a zoosterophyllum, and later on they modified into lycopods. Lycopods are of two types. First, herbaceous and arborescent. Arborescent meaning woody, tree-like, right? Which will become extinct within that the shorter period of time. But which one still continue? Herbaceous lycopod. The next one, tracheophytes terminate to. But remember this thing, Rhynia does not become the ancestor for any that plant category. Rhynia terminates to which one? Psilophyton. Psilophyton becomes the ancestor for majority plants. In that first is a which one? Spinopsida, horsetail, equisetum. Then next, that's all kind of ferns. Example like Nephrolepis, right? Fern का example क्या है? Nephrolepis, one of them. Next, then the gymnosperms, primitive first, that's the ginkgo. Next, conifers. Next, gnatals. And then progymnosperms formation start. From that, the seed ferns develop. Seed ferns meaning this are the one type of connecting link, right? The between primitive and the advanced. Seeds भी है as well as वो fern type है. From that, the cycads most advanced, that's the gymnosperm develop, as well as the which one? Angiosperms develop. Angiosperm may be two classes, dicots and monocots. Which one is the most advanced one? Monocots compared to the which one? Dicots, right? Monocots are spreading in a wider way because they have different photosynthesizing capacity. C4 pathway they follow. Majority follow which one? C4. According to this feature, that monocots, remember over here, that's the most advanced. Next, here three eras are given. First, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Paleozoic पे हमने शॉर्टकट लर्न किया, राइट? दैट इज सीडान कार्पे. सी सिलुरियन. डी Carpe Permian. Next, Mesozoic. In that, Tri-Jurassic creature. Tri-Jurassic creature. So, Triassic, Jurassic and Cretaceous. And last one is a Cenozoic, in that Tertiary and Quaternary. These are the periods in this we have to remember. Next, remember that suppose these are the dicots, right? So dicots are dominating here. The broad scale is given. So dominating in which one? Cretaceous. But monocot if asked, then the which one? Quaternary, right? Next one same way. Conifers. ये इसका broader scale है. So they are dominating during. Okay. They are evolved basically, right? Over here given that's a which one? Devonian. बट स्टार्ट अगर हम देखें यहाँ से उसका ब्रॉडर होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. कार्बोनिफेरस के एंड से ही वो क्या होना स्टार्ट होता है? ब्रॉडर स्केल, राइट? मोर इवॉल्विंग, एडेप्टिंग. नेक्स्ट, साइकेड्स का अगर पूछे, साइकेड्स मोस्ट जुरासिक, राइट? In which time period arborescent lycopod become extinct? Permian. So in this way you have to learn this chart, right? Clear?